The shut-off test of a pump is a useful method of validation of measured pump parameters. You know that the main problem during pumping system assessment is the correct flow measurement, because very often there are not enough straight pipe sections for installation of sensors. Pipes have sediments corroded that cannot allow ultrasonic signal penetrate through pipe walls. And very often we are not sure whether measured parameters are correct. The shut-off test is one of the cross-validation methods which allows pumps users to validate measured parameters. Very often characteristics of pumps differ from the curve in catalogs or in test reports after a long time of operation. Trimming of impeller can be made before and the new curve is not known. The pump model can be unknown. What questions can the shut-off test answer? At what head the real QH curve starts? At what power the power curve starts? Confirm the diameter of the impeller. Confirm the speed of rotation. Confirm the direction of rotation. Validate the measurements at other operating points. What is the main advantage of the shut-off test? You know that the pump flow rate is the most difficult parameter to measure. During shut-off test, we know the value of the pump flow. It is 0. The idea of shut-off test is to measure pump parameters when the discharge valve is closed and pump operates at a 0 flow. There are several rules you need to remember before you begin. The shut-off test can be used only during a limited period. For centrifugal pumps, not more than 3 minutes. Otherwise, there is a risk of a pump overheating. Never use it for positive displacement pumps. During the shut-off test, we measure the following parameters: pump inlet pressure, pump discharge pressure, and electric motor parameters: current, voltage, power factor. When we close the valve on the discharge pipeline, the operating point will come to the position with 0 flow. It is obvious that we can get two results. First one, the shut-off point coincides with the point on the curve from the catalog or from the test report. And the second, the shut-off point stands off the point on the curve. If the shut-off point coincides with the same point on the curve, it means that QH curve is close to the original and we can define flow by measuring the pump head. What conclusions we can make if the measured shut-off point doesn't coincide with the pump curve? We can assume that it happened because pump impeller was trimmed or worn, but in major number of cases the shape of the curve will be similar to curve from the catalog, and with enough tolerance we can build the real curve taking as a basis the curve from the catalog. Make your pumping system efficient. If you need more information, please visit our website pumpsaudit.com.